Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sunil and today we are going to learn some basic English phrases that you can use in your daily conversations. Let's start with some essential phrases. How are you? This is a common way to ask if someone is okay. Example, how are you? You can reply, I am good. Thank you. Please and thank you. Use please when making a request and thank you to show appreciation. Example, can you pass me the salt please? And thank you for your help. Excuse me. Use this phrase to get someone's attention politely. Example, excuse me, do you know where the nearest bank is? I'm sorry. Use this phrase to apologize. Example, I'm sorry for being late. Goodbye. Use this phrase to say farewell. Example, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Let's see how to use these phrases in a short conversation. Person A, hi, how are you? Person B, I'm good, thank you. Excuse me, can you pass me the book please? Person A, sure, here you go. Person B, thank you. Person A, you're welcome. Goodbye. Person B, goodbye. That's all for today. Practice these phrases in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Easy English with Sunil for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.